Hey everyone, got a minute? Let's talk about something important. Ever find yourself lost in the endless scroll of social media? It's time to break that cycle and start investing in your future. Imagine what you could achieve if you took even a fraction of that time and put it towards building something meaningful. Here are 5 online business ideas that can help you get started. 1. Freelance writing got away with words. Turn your talent into cash by writing articles, blogs, and web content. 2. Graphic design. Use your creativity to design logos, social media posts, and more. Platforms like Canva make it easy to get started. 3. Online tutoring. Share your knowledge and help others succeed. Whether it's math, science, or languages, there's always someone in need of a tutor. 4. Dropshipping. Start your own online store without worrying about inventory. Sell products directly from suppliers and focus on marketing your store. 5. Affiliate marketing. Promote products you love and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. So, what are you waiting for? Turn off those notifications and start building your dream today. Every moment you invest in yourself is a step towards financial freedom. Let's hustle and make it happen. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Stay motivated and keep hustling strong.